My name is David Kennett, and the reason for making this video is to introduce a skill and ability, a natural skill and ability that we all possess from birth, but one which we are never taught to develop. And this is so sad. Now, people tell us that in the first 5 years of our lives, we learn more than in the rest of our lives. And of course, many of us go on after 5 years of age to go to school. We go to school, we go to university, and life is one long learning process. But there are some things that we are never taught, and this is so sad. And I guarantee that once you learn to develop the skills which I will demonstrate to you, you will think, well, why weren't we taught this before? And how have I managed to live without this sort of knowledge, because it's just so amazing. Now, we're all born with amazing intuition, and this is shown right from the word go, although people fail to recognize it. Now, when a baby is born, it's taken home and it's put in a cot, and the parents lovingly put it in the cot. And they go back a little while later and they find the child has turned around. So what do? They put the child back in the original position, and they go back again and the child has moved. Now, why has that child moved? Something instinctively is drawing it towards a place and away from another place. And what I suggest people do is that they move the bed rather than the baby, move the cot rather than the baby, into a position so the child can sleep within the space where it was trying to get to. Now, it might take several movements in order to get the cot to the ideal position, but ultimately you'll put the child to bed into the cot, and the child will go to sleep. And when you go back, you'll find the child is sleeping restfully in that position, because intuitively that child is drawn to a safe place. Now, this all seems remarkable, but we are all born with an amazing gift, and I just want to explain how this can be developed.